Good morning, friend. Already we have started one lesson, that is chapter 13. In chapter 13, different types of shapes are there. So if you will see, here it is cone. If you will see, here it is a cuboid. If you will see, here it is a sphere. Here we can say cylinder. And so here it is a hemisphere, and here it is a sphere. So different figure related with the 3 dimension. All are figure related with the 3 dimension. We have to go for chapter 30, that is surface area and volume. So for surface area and volume, we first now surface area and volume. So 4 different figures you have seen at here. That is, one is cone, here it is cylinder, here it is sphere, here it is frustum. We can say again it is a cylinder. So first, that is cuboid and cube. So in cuboid and cuboid, what is the difference between it? In cube, all 4 sides, we can say here are same. Why? In cuboid, length, breadth and height are different. Length, breadth and height are different. So we can find out the area of cube and cuboid also. Now related with the cube, that is surface area of cube, or we can say lateral surface area of cube. Why we can say lateral? Because of straight line. So lateral surface area of cuboid, again write it here, lateral surface area of cube. How we can find out the surface area of cube, or we can say total surface area of cube. So here it is total surface area of cube. Here it is lateral surface area of cube. What is the difference between lateral and total? In lateral, only 4 sides are taken. If you will see here, so length again same, breadth again same, height is also same. So to find out lateral surface area of your 6 faces are there. So total 6 faces are there. If you will see in a cuboid, in cube there are 6 faces. So area of rectangle, that is L into B. So A into A, that is A square. So L into B, that is A into A, that is A square. How many A squares are? If you will see that 6 faces are there, so we can say 6A square. That is a total surface area of cube. So we have to write it here, total surface area of cube. Now lateral surface means only 4 sides. 4 sides. So 4 sides we will see that, we say that 4A square. So lateral surface area of cube is 6A square minus 2 sides, that is top and bottom, we have to remove. That is 4A square. So that is related with the cube. So 2 things we have to write, that is lateral surface area and total surface area. In lateral surface area, you have to remember 4A square and here 6A square. 2 things important we have to learn in cube. Now volume of cuboid. So volume is space occupied by an object. So base of area into height. But we know that base area means again A into height h is also A. If you will see that height is also A, breadth is also A, and length is also A. So that is why all four sides, all six sides. So volume of cube, that is A cube. So three formula from cube, that is 6A cube for TSA, total surface area, lateral surface area 4A square, and volume of cube A cube. Now in next slide, we lateral surface area of cuboid. So if you will see that here it is a cuboid. So in cuboid, length L, here length B, breadth, and height h. So here its length is, again you can draw one for proper understanding. So now length, breadth, and height. So lateral surface area of cuboid means what? Four sides. So that is length into breadth, length into height, plus breadth into height, plus breadth into height. So if you will see, h is common at here. So we have to make common h outside. So formula is 2h L plus B. That is a formula for lateral surface area of cuboid. So lateral surface area of cuboid means here six faces are there. So we have to not include top and bottom. It is not included. Only four sides are included. That is why 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 2 comma 2h L plus B. That is again lateral surface area of cuboid. We say that L S A. Now total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid. Now we go for total. So what will be there? Included top and bottom also. If we draw again one rectangle, we can say two rectangle and join it, we can say it is a cuboid. So six faces are there, so that should be included. So here top and bottom is same, front and backward is same, left and right are same. That is why L into B, B into H, H into L, L into B, B into H, and H into L. So twice, all are twice because same. If you will see top and bottom, we can say same. We can write it here 1 screen, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 L into B plus 2 B into H plus 2 H into L. 2 is common, so LB plus BH plus HL. So that is a total surface area of cuboid. That is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now volume of cuboid. So again space occupied. So volume is equal to base area. So if you will see here in base, it is a rectangle. Base is rectangle. So when base is rectangle, what we have to area, that is L into B. So here base, that is L into B, and height h. That is why volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. So three formula again at here. That is lateral surface area, that is 2H L plus B. Total surface area, that is 2 LB plus BH plus HL. and volume of cuboid, that is L into B into H. Now next, that is cone. If you will see, the different cones are here. One is cone and another is cylinder. So in cone, if you will see properly, here we can say it is L. Here, so if you will draw it cone at here, simple. And so here it is L. Here it is H. And here it is R. So if you will see properly, H, R and L. So it is there with the cone. Here if you will say, height is there and it is a base circle. So if we draw, then in base, here it is a circle. Base is circle. Again here base is circle. So formula of circle, that is pi r square. So that is why here pi r square. Again here pi r square. Next slide we go for. Now curved surface area of cylinder. So if you will see the one cylinder, here it is a circle. So if circle is there, then area is pi r square and height is h. So if I multiply that, then we can get volume. What is the meaning of curved surface area? So curved surface, we know the perimeter of circle. So if you will see, again I make a round area. That is circumference of a circle. So formula is 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle, formula is 2 pi r. So that is why 2 pi r. Now curved surface area means what? Circumference into height h. So 2 pi r into h, that is 2 pi r h. So curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder. So what is included? Again here it is top, here it is bottom, here it is bottom, and here it is top. That is why total surface area, it is included. So curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h plus two circles are there. Here it is top circle, formula is pi r square, bottom circle formula is pi r square. So area of two concentric circle, that is 2 pi r square. So total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. If we make common 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Now volume of cylinder, that is base into height. Base into height. So what is base at here? That is circle. So area of circle into height. Area of circle into height. So area of circle is pi r square. And height, that is h. So pi r square h. So today we are discussing the whole formula related the solid figure. That is, first we have discussed cube, afterward cuboid, afterward cylinder. Now we go for cone. So curved surface area of cone. So formula is pi r l. So what is L, that we have to know first. So here it is called slanting height L. It is called slant height. Slant height. So slant height L. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. So here we have to make a circle. It is called height. It is called radius. How to find out the value of L. So we can apply one Pythagoras at here. If you will see properly, that is why if we write it here, here it is L, here it is H and R. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. Therefore L is equal to under root H square plus R square. So remember it to find out the simple formula, that is pi RL with me here now. Now total surface area of cone. So its base is at here. So base is circle. Base is circle. So here it is area. So area of circle, that is pi r square. So what I have to write? Pi RL plus pi r square. So if I make common pi r, we can write L plus r. So that way, now we go for, okay, still now we are the one of the volume. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now sphere, so it is hemisphere, and here is sphere. Now sphere, so 4 pi r square, that is surface area of sphere, 4 times area of circle. Now volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So two formula from curved surface area of sphere and volume of sphere. Now hemisphere. Hemisphere means twice of circle, that is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere, so that is included. That is why 3 pi r square. And volume of hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So that is sufficient. Mostly we have discussed all the formula.